baby elephant is crying. Why is baby elephant sad? Oh, his tummy hurts. Uh-oh, baby elephant ate too much candy. Yummy candy, but too much is not good. Now his tummy is saying ouch. Don't worry, baby elephant. Doctor is here to help. Let's give some pain relief medicine. Open your mouth. Ah, good job. Okay, baby elephant. Before more medicine, let's do some exercise. Move your hands up, bend down and up. Jump, jump, jump. Shake your tummy. Exercise helps the tummy feel better. Good job, baby elephant. You are doing great. Let's check inside the tummy. Scanning, scanning. Baby, oh no! We can see candy germs inside. Yucky candy germs. Tap, tap, tap. Let's clean the tummy. Bye-bye, germs. Go away. Great job, doctor. Now it's time to make special syrup. Doctor is very careful. Look, the syrup is in a heart shape. So lovely and sweet. Drop, drop, little water drops are added. Mix it gently, stir, stir. This heart syrup will make baby elephant strong and happy. Great job, doctor. All done. Doctor is signing the paper now. Good job, baby elephant. You were very brave today. Remember this good advice. Eat healthy food, not too much candy, drink water every day, and do exercise and play. Stay happy, stay healthy. Doctor is proud of you. Now it's payment time. Let's count together. 1 coin, 2 coins, 3 coins. Count the money slowly. Good counting. Thank you for the payment. Clinic is happy. See you next time. Baby elephant is healthy and happy. Remember, kids, too much candy is not good. Eat healthy and stay happy.